Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. I want to show you something that if you're a roofer or if you're a homeowner especially, this is something that you can do yourself. So I like doing videos that show homeowners how to fix their own problems. If your roof is leaking and it is in your bathroom or in your kitchen area or something like that, there's a good possibility that it's coming from a leaky pipe boot. If you see one of these on your roof, what these do is ventilate your plumbing so that when you flush your toilet or you drain your sink, air comes down through the top, through your pipes, and it allows your sink to drain. So when these things come through the roof, your roofer is going to put a pipe boot on it. This is a pipe boot, okay? When they crack like this over time, which happens from sunlight gets a hold of them and just eats these things apart. Next thing you know, you got that right there on your roof. Instead of a nice sealed boot, you have a cracked boot. And if you have a cracked boot, what are you going to do? My roof is leaking. I'm going to tell you what to do. You're going to go down to Lowe's and you're going to buy this product right here. Say goodbye to your leaky roof boots forever. This is a boot from Perma-Boot, obviously. This is a high-performance roof flashing. And what this does is, just like this, you're going to have these 4 pieces right there. You're going to have your original piece that slides over this and covers all that up. No caulking necessary whatsoever. No caulking necessary. You have your collar piece that goes on the top. Okay, this can go either way. So you're going to slide that down. And when you slide this on, it's going to clip there and it's going to clip there. You have your second piece. This is for a 2-inch pipe. You also have 1.5 inches and 3 inch. That's going to slide down over there. I recommend, always recommend, just a little bit of caulking around the inside lip so that when that thing slides down, stays on there securely. I also recommend, not necessary, to put a little bit of caulking around the edge, top edge right there, so that when this thing goes down, it slides over the top of that piece. And that's how easy it is going to be for you to repair your own pipe boot. Literally, go to Lowe's, buy that piece. You can do it yourself and save a ton of money. I've been using this product since it was first came out. As soon as I seen this thing, I said, I got to have that. And so I put it to the test. I've used hundreds of them, hundreds. And never have I had another leak around that pipe. These things will last the life of your roof. That's what I like about them. These little pipe collars, I do not get paid for this advertisement. I'm doing this advertisement for the people that are watching. I'm not doing this for anybody except for the people that are watching. I want you to be able to, as a homeowner, go to your roof leak, identify it, and if it is one of these pipes, it can be easily fixed with the Perma-Boot high-performance roof flashing. Go buy yours today at Lowe's or Home Depot. You will not be unsatisfied. Till the next one, I'll see you when we get there, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and please slam that like button.